Hi, I'm Cody from Endura Products, and today we will be demonstrating the installation of VersaPan, Endura's slope sill pan, using the universal option, which will accommodate depths from 3¼ inches to 7¼ inches. First step in installing your universal sill pan is to size the sill pan to the rough opening. To do that, place the sill pan backwards to the interior of the rough opening, butting this against the jamb, coming to the other side and creating a score mark roughly 1/16 to 1/8 inch inside of the rough opening. After you've created your score mark against the nosing, you will now come down and using one of the identifiers on the side, which identifies the width of your jamb, you will make that same score mark in the fold seam. Moving to the other end of the sill pan, you will create a score mark in the vertical leg that matches the width of your jamb, and you will also create a score mark along the bottom, removing that tab. Now that you have all your scores made in the appropriate places, fold the sill pan along the 4 9/16 bend line, because that is our jamb size that we will be using here. If you're using a different jamb size, repeat the same steps in the appropriate fold mark for your jamb size. After you have folded the sill pan along the appropriate bend line, come to the corner and make a fold. After you have made all your folds and formed your corner, you will now need to check fit. Once you have confirmed fit, remove the sill pan from the opening and apply your caulk. With the subfloor caulked and the sill pan in place, you will now fasten the sill pan into the rough opening. Now that your sill pan is fastened into the rough opening, you have one of two options in dealing with this front flange. You can leave it as is and staple, as we're going to do, or you can come back and trim it off shorter and then staple. You will now come back and install your corner tape here, here, and here. But before we can install here, we need to cut and remove this excess material. With the sill pan fully installed, you can complete the look by adding Endura's Z-Series nosing so that now your sill pan will match the threshold.